Alright mga ka-good news, may nagtanong dito, tara basahin natin. How to conquer worries? Please enlighten us po sa mga humaharap sa battle everyday, lalo na sa finances. Salamat po. Mga ka-good news, hindi ito simpleng struggle. This is daily battle. So anong biblical answer? Hindi positive thinking, kundi theological thinking. That's a good question. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Una, worry is a faith issue, not just a financial issue. Mga ka-good news, let's be honest. Worry feels practical, pero spiritually, it questions God's provision. Sa Matthew chapter 6 verses 31 hanggang 32 ang sabi, "Huwag kayong mga balisa. Alam ng inyong Ama sa langit na kailangan ninyo ang lahat ng mga bagay na ito." Mga ka-good news, Jesus did not deny needs. He confronted anxiety. Kapag nag-worry tayo, ang implicit message ay, "Lord, bakit hindi mo ako kayang alagaan?" That is why worry is serious. It diminishes God's fatherly care. Pangalawa, financial pressure does not cancel God's sovereignty. Sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 19 ang sabi, "At pupunuan ng aking Diyos ang lahat ng inyong kailangan ayon sa kanyang kayamanan." Pansinin natin ito mga ka-good news. Hindi sinabi lahat ng gusto ko. Ang sinabi, lahat ng kailangan. Provision is promised. Luxury is not. Yes, God may allow tight seasons, but He never abandons His children. If He fed Israel in the wilderness, if He sustained Elijah by ravens, He is not limited by your payroll. Pangatlo, worry is conquered by obedience, not by control. Mga ka-good news, most of us worry because we want control. But Jesus gave the order. Sa Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 ang sabi, "Hanapin muna ninyo ang kaharian ng Diyos." Mga ka-good news, priority first, provision follows. Kaya when finances are tight, remain honest, remain generous according to ability, and remain faithful. Do not compromise integrity. Financial hardship is not license for sin because God honors obedience more than strategy. So how do you conquer worry? Not by ignoring bills, not by pretending everything is fine. You can conquer worry by trusting God's character, submitting to His sovereignty, and obeying despite uncertainty. Mga good news, worry shrinks when theology grows. Kaya ask yourself, is my fear bigger than my view of God? Sa 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7 ang sabi, "Ihagis ninyo sa Kanya ang lahat ng inyong kabalisahan. Cast it, not carry it." Remember that finances may fluctuate, but God does not. Trust Him, obey Him, and let peace replace panic. What are your thoughts? I-type mo sa comment section. Pag-usapan natin.